Hello everyone, I will introduce a new type of building material and equipment that is efficient, environmentally friendly, and energy-saving fiber cement board equipment. Fiber cement board equipment, it adopts advanced process technology and uses the production principle of fibrous cement boards to reasonably match various high-quality raw materials, store well, suppress molding, and finally produce building materials with high strength, high fiber cement boards. In short, fiber cement board equipment is a new type of building material and equipment with excellent performance and environmental protection and energy saving with extensive application prospects. I hope that our introduction can help friends. If you have more problems and doubts about fiber cement board equipment, please contact us at any time. We will answer your questions.